Okay, now I found that a certain thing is better to do in Excel. I created a file in Excel, reefer and deliveries. Access can work easily with Excel. You can copy paste information from Excel into Access. It's easy using paste append. Sorry for the colors because I'm switched to I'll just give a brief overview of this. Every day some reefer comes in, not every day, but let's say you write the date. This is to help you keep track of the regular flow of traffic of trees. You got some date. This is just an example. You got different kinds of species. A reefer comes in and it delivers this much. I'm sure you all know how to work in Excel. You got a certain species comes in, this much of this species, this is the date, this much of this species comes in, this much of this species, this much of these species, and you can have a comment section, and that's how much the reefers, and then how much is actually delivered to a block. You take out this much from a reefer, okay, and this much from this reefer on this date, transfer to the block, and this helps you, I'll explain this in greater detail on the website or in a video tutorial. I just found it based on my knowledge of Excel and Access that this particular function of helping you keep track of overcounts is better done in Access. Then you copy the figures from how much was planted. So you go back to your Access. Maybe your tallies are down here, and you would copy the data from the total planted on that block. Total planted on that block is down here, I guess. Profits per block. Salmon arm. Here's a certain block. Total planted. I could copy that because that's updated based on my tallies that I input. I can copy the total trees planted on this block of this contract. I go to Access, I punch that in here, and this helps me keep track the final balance delivered. This helps me keep track daily of any overcounts and overplants. What I call it overplants, which means when customer prescribes a certain amount to be planted per block, but your planters actually planted more. So you can keep a daily tabs of this, and this is why I've created this Excel sheet. So I'll explain that to you in greater detail later.